Iranian President Ibrahim Raisi was killed in a helicopter crash. Iranian sources. The death of Raisi and those on the helicopter was confirmed by Iran's Mehr agency. An Iranian official who didn't not disclose his name said this in an interview with Reuters.Earlier, Pirhusin Kolivand, head of the Iranian Red Crescent Society, said in a speech on state television that rescuers had not found any survivors at the crash site. President of Iran Ebrahim Raisi, Minister of Foreign Affairs Hossein Amir Abdullohiyan, Governor of Iran's Azerbaijan province Malik Rahmati, and Imam of Tabriz province Ali Hashim were passengers of the helicopter. The helicopter crashed on Sunday in a mountainous region in northwest Iran near the border with Azerbaijan and Turkey. The search and rescue operation continued through the night despite bad weather. Iranian media reported that it was raining in the crash site. The Iranian army was also involved in the search for the helicopter. According to Tasnim Agency, the burned helicopter was found at 6 o'clock in the morning local time.